Hello, 10th class students. I am K. Prasad Raju, assistant in biology in Swarnabharati English Medium High School. Okay, already you already you learned in first unit nutrition. Second unit is respiration. So dear boys and girls, what is the respiratory organs of human beings? Automatically you say the correct answer is lungs. Liver is firstly human physiology written by John Dewar, conducted a lot of experiments on the topic of respiration. Okay, dear boys and girls, all the respiratory organs are not equal to all animals. So our respiratory organs is lungs and other different organisms. Different organisms have different type of respiratory organs. Fishes, bronchus, gills, bronchial respiration. Insects, tracheal respiration. Trachea is the respiratory organ. So our respiratory organ is lungs. So a pair of lungs which are present in our protect in rib cage, either side of the heart, a pair. But both lungs are not equal in size, So first of all, how enter the atmospheric air into the lungs? That is the first understand all the students. The pathway of air enter into the final part of the blood. It is going to stepwise manner. So first of all, we breathe air through the nostrils. Every human being, the lungs opening through the nostrils. A pair of nostrils are present. Nostrils are open into the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity is lined with mucous membrane and ciliated epithelium is present inside the nasal cavity. Inside mucous membrane decrease the atmospheric temperature into the body temperature. Decrease. If any dust particles in the air automatically pasted inside the mucous membrane. And another step is pharynx. Pharynx is a kind of muscular wall. In human being, walls are present in veins, and pharynx also a kind of muscular wall. Very important bit. Another one, larynx. Larynx is called voice box. Our speech totally deliberate by the larynx. You can speak different kinds of words. The words are pronounced by the larynx. తెలుగులో అయితే స్వరపేటిక అంటారు లేదా శబ్దపేటిక అని అంటారు. మనం ఉచ్చరించేటువంటి శబ్దం ఆ యొక్క లార్ynx ద్వారా బయటకు వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ trachea. This one is called windpipe. It has containing the C-shaped rings. And another one is bronchus. Very small tubules are called bronchioles. Every bronchiole is linked up with a small grape-like structures are called alveolus. alveolus exchange the gas mixed into the air, mixed into the blood. So finally completed the air enter into the blood. But how exchange the gases in alveoli into the blood capillaries? This is the structural and functional unit of lungs. Very very important bit for you, dear boys and girls. What is the structural and functional unit of lungs? Alveoli. So nostrils to alveolus. The air passes into the alveolus. Air has containing the carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, and inert gases, dust particles, and so on. These are all components are enter into the alveolus. Alveolus outside structure, blood capillary network is there. Blood capillary network. The blood capillary network RBC and WBC, blood platelets. The three types of cells are present in the capillaries network. So oxygen is enter into the blood capillaries through the diffusion method. The oxygen enter blood, oxygenated blood goes to heart. Heart is send the all parts of the body. At the same time, in capillary network, carbon dioxide molecules are collected, enter the body to take the surface of alveolus. In the same type of method, that is diffusion method, carbon dioxide enter into the alveolus. In the same way, alveolus, the carbon dioxide goes to bronchioles, again the branches, again the trachea, and the larynx, and pharynx, and nasal cavity, and open into the nostrils, go to outside atmosphere. That's why we are applying the upside arrows and downward arrows of the pathway of air. ఏ మార్గంలో వెళ్తే ఆ మార్గంలోనే కిందకి రావడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది అన్నమాట. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద air is going inside the lungs, go to outside of the atmosphere. What is the main function is done here? Nearly carbon dioxide 0.03% in atmosphere, and oxygen 21%, and nitrogen 78%. Here carbon dioxide is very less percent, so 21% is oxygen and 78% is nitrogen. This one is not useful our body, but carbon dioxide exhaled air nearly that is carbon dioxide 4.4%. Oxygen decreases 16%. There is no change in nitrogen. Observe and diffuses the oxygen molecules mix into the blood. Automatically the blood has contained the hemoglobin pigment. The hemoglobin react with oxygen to formation of oxyhemoglobin. The oxyhemoglobin is send all body parts by the heart to entire cell reach the oxygen molecules. Then at the same time, the entire body collect the carbon dioxide, send it to the alveolus, and finally goes into the nostrils through into the outside. So that is the main process of exchange of gases in alveoli. Okay, my dear boys and girls, compulsory draw the diagram in your book and write a few lines about how exchange gases in alveoli. Okay, thanks a lot.